Hi Devi,
Hi, sir.
how are you?
I'm fine, sir. What about you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Yes, Devi, where are you from?
I'm from Illandu Bhadradi, Kottagudem district, sir.
Okay, and about your family?
My family consists of 5 members, sir. My father name is Shivakumar. He is a carpenter, and my mother name is Parvati. She is a homemaker, and I have 2 brothers. Both of them are doing contract-based work in coal mine.
Okay.
And I am married. My husband name is Vishal. He is an SQL admin at US-based company, sir.
ఓకే దేవి ఎలా తెలుసు నీకు ఎస్విసి ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ గురించి?
త్రూ ఆన్లైన్ సైడ్ ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ స్క్రోల్ చేస్తుంటా అంటే చూసాను జెన్యూనా కాదా అని. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి మా రిలేటివ్స్ని కూడా తీసుకుని వచ్చాను. డెమో సెక్షన్ అటెండ్ అయ్యాను. సో నాకు నచ్చి నేను ఇమ్మీడియట్లీగా జాయిన్ అయినాను సార్.
ఓకే ఓకే వాట్ డిడ్ యు లెర్న్ ఫ్రమ్ ఎస్విసి డ్యూరింగ్ 2 months ట్రైనింగ్?
I majorly improved my communication skill by attending jam sections, group discussions, and HR sections, sir. I also improved my knowledge in financial accounting, financial statement analysis, financial instruments, and investment banking, mutual funds, ratio analysis, sir.
Okay, good to know that. And share your interview experience.
I got selected in Genpact as well as WNS company, sir. And they are conducted 4 rounds of interview. First round is HR round. They are majorly focused on communication skills.
Okay.
Second round is typing test. And third round is assessment, sir. I was able to clear that.
Okay.
And fourth round is manager round. They are majorly focused on subject based questions. They ask nearly 10 to 15 questions. I answered all the questions, sir.
Okay, good to know that. And you got selected for both the companies, right? Genpact and WNS.
Yes, sir.
So in which company you are going to join?
I already joined in WNS company, which is now part of Capgemini, sir.
Okay. Congratulations and all the very best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for supporting and guidance.